This is our boat cover for the free boat that we had gotten. They never actually used the cover, which we found out why. It doesn't fit our boat. So what I'm doing here is we had tried to attach it and it actually ended up breaking. The fabric on it and everything got pretty tied up in travel. I am going to be cutting and adding on enough to make it fit the length of the boat. I have already began by cutting the excess on this side, and I've been opening up the channel here to start to pull off the rest of what is here, and I will go around and continue to do this until I get all the way around the cover. To remove these seams, I'm using an easy seam ripper. I would highly recommend. After I have removed the seams, I have now attached the old and new material and I'm getting ready for stitching. Now I will begin stitching the old and new material together. Shout out to my grandmother who gave me this sewing machine in hopes that I too someday would become obsessed with sewing. Now that I've stitched the old and new material together, I am going to be stitching the outer edge to provide strength. And here I am providing a second layer for additional strength. The next step is I needed to create new buckles because the last ones were broken. So I just went to the hardware store and I bought the material and stitched it together like so. I wanted to make sure I had a lip on there so as I did the buckle, it would keep it within the buckle. Here's a simple instructions on how to place these within a buckle. Make sure to pull it through the closest side, loop it around, and into the side the farthest away from the buckle. And then push through. Now if you've done this right, as you yank on it, it should not move. In order to loosen it, you just turn it around and pull it through. Now you can see here how that extra lip I put in there is helping make sure that these don't fall out. Now after those pieces I had cut off, I cut extra of them to use for extra support here. So I used that on the inside of this seam. This is the new material, this is the old material, and I used it to attach the buckles. So I probably overdid the amount of stitches, but this is where it tore off last time, so I wanted to make sure it was nice and strong. But now I just have to do it on the other side, and we should be almost set. Now I'm recreating the lip that this rope was in. I bought a new one that's a little stronger, and it will get and provide a cinching around the boat. So I'm just starting to pin it up, and I'll go all the way around the entire piece, and I'll get ready to sew that. And here's the final result. She's done. I'm really excited with how it turned out, especially because the boat actually wasn't with me as I was making this. So as we go around it, you can see the different material in the back and where the buckles are that I created. The remaining of them were just fine, so I kept them as is. There is some difficulty on the top because we do have a trolling motor, so that will never fit perfectly. But you can see here the buckle is nice and firm and well attached. Once again, thanks for watching. If you like what you saw, feel free to like, share, comment, or subscribe.